Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to install new fonts in Samsung Galaxy A16. Go to your settings app. In your settings app, scroll down and tap on display. Under display settings, scroll down and tap on font size and style. Here tap on font style. Now tap on download fonts and you will be directly jump into Samsung Galaxy Store in just few seconds and tap on agree, and here you directly jump into Galaxy Store new font page. Here if you want to search for a specific font, you can use this search icon. I'm going to selecting this top free section, and here I'm just downloading this font for example. So let's install this font. Once you've installed the new font, go back to your font settings. And in your settings, under font style, here you find the new font that you just installed. Now just select the font and the specific font will be applied in your Galaxy device, just like so. Thanks for watching.